What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Yes, I'm wearing the same threads. It's because it's the same day. We're working on project number 2 for the day, but obviously a different video. This project, we're building a small bar to go on the patio. Be a really fun project, pretty simple. Hope you guys get some value out of it. I know we will, and stick around. Let's have some fun.
Math was way off. So I didn't account for the 6 inches we need to cut off underneath.
We're not mathers. We're doers. Just a quick 6-inch trim. Blah. Words are hard. 6-inch trim.
Top piece, and then we'll get our level out, and we can level it and know where we need to cut that one.
So you want to go the full length on both sides?
I think so. If we don't like it, we can always cut it off.
That's right. So plan update. What we're going to do is we're figuring out whether we want the bar to extend past the pole, right, the whole way or halfway. The conclusion that we came to is we were just going to measure it to where it can go past the pole on both sides to the full end, and then if we don't like it, we can always cut it off. Here's the thing, you can always take away, but you can never add to. That makes it pretty easy. We're almost done. All we have to do is screw them in and then stain it. Ooh, it's still wet. What's up, everybody? We had a fantastic time doing this bar. If you can't tell, if you see the slats, we have some angled in this way, and then they meet in the middle, and we have the rest angled that way. Gives a cool kind of visual effect. It was really fun. My Uncle Mike Kicks Heine had this idea in his head, and he's like, hey, let's get it done. And we did. Got to use my new saw, which is really cool. Mike, what are some of the challenges for this bar?
Just make sure it was level I hadn't decided exactly how I wanted to angle the boards, but once we got it up, after looking at it, I thought this was the look I wanted to go for. Everything worked out. This post was a little twisted, that complicated things just a smidgen, but not a big deal. Went out pretty smooth and looks just as good as I thought it would.
Right on. So to recap, you know, when you're installing something like this or building something like this on a patio, typically patios, they're not level because they're designed for water to run off of them towards the yard, not towards the house. And then also, if you've got, you know, big pieces of wood like this, they've been outside, sometimes they do kind of twist and warp a little bit. So when you're putting something in after the fact, those are some of the things to consider. You know, we put one side up and then made sure that it was level before we measured and cut the other side. That way we knew the bar top would be level, because we're not trying to make it level to the concrete pad of the patio, but the bar top itself. And then, like Mike was saying, with the pole being twisted, we had to make some adjustments for that. So those are some things to keep in mind if you wanted to do this project on your own. It costs what,
$30 in lumber, a little bit of stain.
And there you go. So, you know, minus the tools, probably what, $40 with the stain, the screws. So, and I'll have some of the tools linked down below in the description. We did use my awesome saw that I got for my birthday. That's not part of the $30 budget. But if you want something similar, we'll have that link down below as well. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out some other videos. We'll either have them up here or, you know, down below. You know how that works. So you guys be good people, and peace out.
Yeah.
Uncle Mike wanted me to do this.
Do your